Business documents are subject to strict rules. This also applies to digital documents. In the case of emailed invoices, contracts, client files, etc., retention periods of 3, 5, 10 or more years must be complied with. But where do you store the data securely? Outlook folders or Exchange servers are not audit-proof. And even an ERP system or a DMS environment do not offer sufficient protection. The Rhenus Cloud Archive is the solution for medium-sized companies. Data protection compliant and ISO certified, it is an easy-to-use archive for all business documents. Easy to connect to any environment, it impresses with its reliability, convenient filing, and scheme-free storage. Staff and client files, CAD and construction plans, technical drawings or EDI documents can be archived, free of concern. Your Rhenus Cloud Archive is scalable to meet your needs and can be easily upgraded or downgraded. And for your convenience, we have integrated an intelligent search engine that provides lightning-fast results. Most importantly, the Rhenus Cloud Archive provides a secure environment for your business data. Compliant with the 10 principles of the Commercial Code, the Fiscal Code, and the GOBD, it is entirely audit-proof. In addition, it is protected against ransomware by the Rhenus data centers. Store your data efficiently and securely with the Rhenus Cloud Archive.